wrong side of the road. What the f are you doing? Really?
Yo, but you know how, and she specified when she saw me that she likes both. That's all I'm saying.
Yo, what are you doing, son? We got an otter.
What would you do if somebody yelled at you and like try to get your attention? What would you do? Would you answer to them?
Oh my god. That guy almost just rear-ended the out of me. Dick.
Turn left on Campbell Boulevard.
That guy just ran through that light. Oh god.
Yeah, go ahead and reverse again. You got 5 feet.
Yo, why is she going so slow?
You got 5 feet.
People are definitely...
Watching this is painful because I have to do this all day for 9 hours. What the fuck are you doing? Your car can already make it like 10 seconds ago.
Yeah, why are y'all blocking the road? Snow, man. Come on.
What is happening?
My god! What the hell? Go, it's a green light. Don't stop for jaywalkers, just go. sides.
Look, alright. Okay.
I wonder what the crosswalk building is. There's like nobody in there. The fuck?
Okay, I'm gonna just go around him. There is someone in there. She's just.
Is the car turned off? Because she's not even
Take a
still.
blink and then explore Edge's house.
Shut up.
146 north.
Okay. I almost hit that person too.
She's mad.
Nope, I'm in this lane. Okay.
Turn right. Up.
Oh my god.
All the angels sing about you.
Oh God.
Last joyride, close our eyes, we're no rules.
That's a red arrow. That truck's mad. I would be too. I don't know why he made a lane change, like so close to him.
Turn left on Fate Avenue.
not going to be able to make that U-turn. No way. How the hell am I supposed to do that?
Make a U-turn to stay on Pulaski Highway.
That is like cursed. That is actually the most cursed U-turn I've ever seen. Okay, I got really lucky. I should not have been able to make that U-turn, but okay. Oh my god. What are you doing? Why are you just stopped?
This is, oh, watch out. Shit. You want me to check?
No.
We gon' rock the game. Again, they game, we got game. But they are not the same. Percocet, yeah.
Go! Why are you braking? That was the shortest green light ever. You're gonna get a ticket.
The stop sign that's right at the end, like that's pointing this way, she missed her turn and she turned really quick and like missed it. Went up on the hill, hit the stop sign. You might need to turn on your high.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
That's so thick.
Do you see the tire marks
right
there?
How did she go up there?
She was going 50 miles an hour, hit it, and
that had to have fucked up her like suspension.
Popped both of her front tires, knocked off her bumper, and it got sucked under her car and like wrapped in her shit.